As a man, I'm gonna keep it simple. These 7 self-improvement rules, if you implement them in your life, you'll crush it. For example, I want you to train, I want you to eat, and I want you to sleep and make that a priority. I'll promise you this, you do these 3 at peak effort, it will improve anyone's sadness, depression, and mood. Once you see just how good you start looking, how much confidence that's gonna build up, and how much extra energy you have, bro, you're gonna feel like you can take on the world. And here's the crazy part. It's free, bro. Like, it's absolutely free to do these 3 things. Yet I would say not even 10% of you are gonna take this advice. Not even 10% of you are actually gonna put this into action. 2, create more. We are creators. We men are builders. That's what we do. Everything you see around, we did that. Our ancestors did that, right? The average male gets, on average, I think it's like 37,800,000 minutes. That's how many minutes you get on average in your life. Now, you're gonna have to cut that in half. So, what is that? Like 37, 15, 7, about 60. So, you're gonna cut that in half. So, about 17 to 18 million is actually your waking hours. The rest you spend sleeping. And out of those 18 million minutes that you get in your lifetime, you're gonna spend 500 minutes a day scrolling on TikTok. That gives you no return whatsoever. That you leave or create nothing behind you. You're literally just throwing time away with no return. Imagine you got a trust fund and it was $40 million. 20 million went to Uncle Sam, so now you're left with 20 million, and you're gonna have to spend that for the rest of your life. But you burn $500 daily doing nothing, doing absolutely nothing. With no return, you're building nothing, you're creating no value whatsoever. How depressing it. If I was the guy that left you that trust fund, I'd be depressed. I'd be depressed that my own son built nothing out of the head start that I gave him. That's what you got. You got life. 3, your room, it's your castle. I'm talking about your house. I'm talking about your car. Keep it clean. That is your domain. That's where you dwell. That's where you rest. And that's where you bring girls in, right? Whether it's your car or back to your room. If that thing's clean, bro, you're gonna leave a hell of an impression. She's gonna start thinking, yo, why is this guy so mature? Why is he so disciplined at every aspect of his life? Yo, why does it smell so good? Let me stay a little bit longer. You're welcome. You're welcome, bro. It's that simple. Keep it clean, look disciplined, keep it smelling good. Matter of fact, I'm gonna help you out. If you guys check out our brand Santa Lucia, which is a luxury fragrance brand where all the oils come from France. Handmade, best oils around Italy and France. It smells amazing. We don't just do fragrances. We do candles. We do home diffusers. We do car diffusers. So every aspect of your life just smells pleasant, bro. Not only for yourself, because honestly, I love when my office, when my car, when my room smell good, my mood is good. That's what I want you to feel. And then obviously, when you bring anybody into your vicinity, they're gonna love it too, bro. If you guys wanna check this out, I'm gonna have all 3 linked down below in a, let's call it the Smell Good Trio, right? Where I don't just want you to smell good. I want everywhere you stay to smell good. You're gonna get the car diffuser, the home diffuser, and the candle at 50% off. Now let me tell you something right now. That's less than the cost of just the home diffuser. And you're gonna get all 3. Bro, this is only gonna last the next 24 hours. So by tomorrow, this code will expire. You're getting 50% off on all 3. You're basically getting 2 free items. Yo, if you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4, pick up a book and read. Don't like reading, then listen to the book. See, you only know what you know. Your brain can't create something out of nothing. The more information you give your brain, the more creative power and processing power it will have to be able to create something great, to give you an idea of what you can build. I know most of you, every time I tell you you need to create something, you need to build something, you're probably thinking, yo, what am I gonna do? I don't know what to do, right? I was there too, but the more you read, the more you listen to podcasts and expand your experiences through knowledge, the more ideas and creativity are gonna start flying and sparking. You're gonna think, yo, I could probably do that. Let me try that. And you know what? 95% of the things you do will probably fail, but at least you're building, you're learning, you're adding skill sets, and one's gonna hit. 5, aim to be a great dad. And I'm talking about even if you're not a dad. Right? Right now, you should be aiming to be a great dad. This generation lacks male role models, and that's what you should be for your lineage. So when you think every time you're doing something, Think about, put it in this way, right? When you're playing video games, you spend all day playing video games, ask yourself this question: will this make my lineage proud? Will this forward my lineage in any way? When my kids look back into what I did, will they be proud of that? The answer is no, which it probably is for everything you're doing. You need to put in more work, right? You need to think, yo, I could be the richest guy in my lineage. I could be the strongest. I can tell you right now, without a doubt, I am the strongest male in my entire lineage. And I can guarantee that going back to whenever my name Zuniga started, bro. I can guarantee you that. I could probably also guarantee I've probably generated the most wealth in my entire lineage, right? And my goal is to keep pushing. You could do that for your bloodline. Number 6, fight. It will humble you. Because that cocky, I can kick everyone's ass type of mentality will get punched right out of you with technique the first time you step into a ring. And then once you do train for a while, outside of training, you walk with confidence. You walk knowing that if you had to, you could. See, as a man, you should never pick fights. Your one goal should always to be walk away. That is your best line of defense. But you also know you have the ability to end a fight. You have the ability to hold your ground and protect your loved ones if you need to. And that gives you an air of confidence. And now you're not looking for fights, but you walk around knowing you could potentially end one.